To use Chat GPT, you can simply type your question or statement in the chat box and hit send. I will then use my natural language processing capabilities to understand your input and provide you with a relevant response. You can ask Chat GPT a wide variety of questions or make statements on almost any topic. However, please keep in mind that Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence language model and its responses may not always be accurate or appropriate. Additionally, Chat GPT does not have access to real-time information or knowledge beyond what it was trained on up until its knowledge cutoff date. If you need assistance or have any questions while using Chat GPT, feel free to ask and I'll do my best to help. As a language model, Chat GPT can be used for a variety of purposes, such as text generation. Chat GPT can generate human-like text on a wide range of topics, from creative writing to technical documents. Language translation. Chat GPT can translate text from one language to another with reasonable accuracy. Question answering. Chat GPT can provide answers to questions on a wide range of topics, based on its training data. Chatbot development. Chat GPT can be used to develop conversational chatbots that can interact with users in natural language. Content recommendation. Chat GPT can be used to recommend content to users based on their preferences and interests. Text summarization. Chat GPT can summarize long text passages into shorter, more concise summaries. Sentiment analysis. Chat GPT can analyze the sentiment of text and determine whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. Text classification. Chat GPT can classify text into different categories based on its content, such as news articles, product reviews, or social media posts. Overall, Chat GPT can be used for any task that involves natural language processing, including but not limited to the ones mentioned above.